Hello everyone. Today we're back playing Don't Press the Button. It was so much fun playing this game. I just played this game for a lot. Today guys, we're back playing with Don't Press the Button. It's because that I just want to make a second video about it. And today let's start playing. Let's fight the newbie. Got Chief newbie. Yay, the statue has been saved. Yay. Alright, we have to survive the boulders. Get it! No, I lost. Hey, you can see the view from here. Hey guys, look what I got. I just got a drum. It's me. Alright, I got a sandwich. It has tentacles and it has an eye. It has an eye on it. I got a sandwich. Hey, it makes the yum sound. And I got a duck. I got a teddy bear.
I love spending time with you.
And now I got a cake. I got a watermelon. And this cannon you might recognize. That shoots a cannon. That shoots a confetti. It's a confetti cannon. Let me eat my watermelon first. Delicious. Now let me eat my sandwich. Alright. Alright, I have to put the presents on the Christmas tree. I'm gonna jump on the Christmas tree. Alright, I'm decorating the Christmas tree. Wait, just put it loud. Alright. Can't go up. Oh, someone won already. Wait, I was at the top of the Christmas tree. Oh, we get to go in that guy's tongue. We're going. Oh no, we're gonna get eaten. No. No, I lost my mask, and now I have a poop. Let me try to restart. Whoa, we have a trampoline. Yay, I'm jumping. Oh, we have to survive the zombie apocalypse. Oh yeah, zombies. I just saved it from my old videos. No, I fell. No, I become a zombie. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get everybody. No, I died again. I'm gonna jump up. Even when I died. No. No, and the survival wins. Yes, exactly. Oh, we have to find the button. hiding in those bushes. From in here? The door, it's opening. Alright. Open. Alright. Alright.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Hey, that's weird. Oh yeah, my god. Wait, this guy did it too early. We can't use the jump button. Yes. No, I jumped. I did it too early. No, someone survived. Alright. Try to press the button. No, I didn't. No, I didn't notice the tornado. Alright. What? Wait. Stay right here. No, I ate my cake. Let me just stay right at the button. Oh no! I got. Where should you do that? Oh, it went away. Okay, fair enough. Watermelon. Oh my god, I'm getting smaller. And everything is big. Oh my god, the cannon is big. The drum! Oh no! I died. Okay. Oh no, now there's a tornado again. This time I'm gonna run away from it. No, I didn't run away. I did it too early. No, I didn't. I just stand there. I'm gonna stay right next to the button. This is it, right? No! No! Oh no! I thought I was gonna land there. Oh, okay. No, I got slipped. No, wait. Let me. I'm gonna get somebody. No, I got slipped again. I'm gonna pushed off again. This is so funny. Come on, get them. Wait, are those pool noodles? Oh, what? Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, stop on the safe. Go in the safe spot, okay? Yes, I did. No, I just touched it. Okay, let's see these players survive. Let me just go to my shop. How much money do I have? 880. What could I buy something for that? Oh, I didn't have enough money. I'm gonna buy this Bloxy Cola. I like that one. Alright. Got my items here. It was delicious. That's delicious. Oh, I had to blow out my bubbles. Come on, come on. Alright, I'm pressing as fast as I can. Come on, I can do it, I can do it. No, this guy went farther than me. Oh my god, I'm far away. Okay, now I'm back. Oh, zombies again. I had to survive some zombie apocalypse. Oh yeah, zombies. I just copied from the old videos that I just made. Alright. Jump. How am I gonna get up there? Great. Wait, are the zombies gonna chase us? Yay, we can go somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna stay where I am. Gonna jump off. Even when I died. Oh my gosh. No, the survivor wins. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Alright. What are we gonna do? Alright, we have to survive this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the right. No, I just touched it again! I like the boxy cola. Alright, I'm gonna drink it. Oh, it's delicious. Alright. No, I shouldn't touch there. I shouldn't touch the glass. I'm gonna play with my teddy bear.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you. That's what the teddy bear said. Alright, let me eat my watermelon. Mmm, delicious. I wish I wanted to get the taco. Oh yeah, I can. Don't move. Good, I did not move. There it is. It's in my backpack. Everyone is getting smaller. Oh my gosh. Let me just put the teddy bear in my backpack. Oh no, not the cake. Good. Red, blue versus red. Alright. Alright. No! I'm gonna chase you. We're gonna win. Won. Yay, the blue team won. Woohoo! Yay. Alright. I pressed the button. What's next? Oh, doggies! Yay! Whoa! They're falling out of the sky! Oh my goodness. Let me get... Oh, the doggy is there. Alright. Let me find the right platform. It wasn't that one. Yay, the doggy is saved. What will happen to it? No, it fell! Alright. Alright. Which one? Which one? No, I fell! Dang it. Alright. I'm just gonna go here and here. Yay, we won! press the button again. Okay, we have to don't touch the red. Where's the red? Oh. No, that guy went there. Oh. Phew, I finished. I did it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I did it. Oh. Oh. Let me get this thing. Yes. Hit. Yes. This is so easy. Oh no, I died. No, I had to watch that, how this player did it. Yay! Alright, this is the laser tag. Come on. Oh yeah, attack someone. No! What happened? I just died for some odd reason. Oh well. Let me get the coins. The diamonds. Alright, oh, someone won. Alright. Oh, I had to shoot. Okay. Yes, I got one. Yeah, there you are. There you are. There you are. Let me shoot it. Alright, I'm shooting it. Yeah, I'm shooting it. Yes, I got it. There. Over there. Alright. Got it. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm shooting it. Yes. Yes. No. At least I did it. At least I did it. Oh no, not this again. Let's just go to the next game. Okay. Let me try to search for something. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Hello guys, the second game that we're gonna play is Don't Press the Button number 2. Today we're gonna play is Don't Press the Button number 2. It's really cool. Oh look, boobies. They're doing the T. Alright. Alright, this is the shop here, just like in the Don't Press the Button. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright, I'm doing it. Guys, I'm doing it. Wait, I want to touch it. Oh! I just thought that this person didn't touch the lava because it was lucky. Oh my god. Well, there they go. Oh, someone pushed me. Why is everyone getting smaller? Just look what it said right here. Oh my god, I'm getting. No, I don't want. I want to get the coin. No, this is too hard when I'm small. Okay, now I'm better. Get the coin. Alright. Yay, sucker! Alright. No! You left it. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Okay. No. Dang it. Sucker! Come on, get into the goal! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Alright, I think I might have gone before the basketball did. No. I mean the soccer ball. Alright. Okay, don't touch the red space. It will fall. Alright, I'm going. No, someone pushed me off. No, I don't want Robux. Alright. I'm definitely going to survive. Oh look, there's a dinosaur. Hello. Alright. Alright. no, I'm stuck here. I think we're gonna, yay, we survived. Okay, Simon says yellow. Oh, oh yeah, I forgot. I'm already in yellow. No. Simon says blue. Alright, we're going in blue. Yay. Oh, no, someone took a ride on me. No! Someone just took a ride on me. Simon says pink. I'm stuck here. There's a visible wall. Simon says yellow. Oh, this is the shop here, just like in the Don't Press the Button #1. What was that? I wish I want to get the speedy shoes. The speedy shoes, but I don't have enough money. Oh well. Sorry. No, this guy catch me. Oh no! I just saw a coin. I was gonna get it. Let me try to restart. Oh, okay. Alright, touch it. Hey, look, there's a statue of me. Alright, let's survive the obby. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Double jump. Jump, 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 jump. No! I fell. I should do it too early. Well, someone had to survive this. Look, this guy has a magic car. This guy has a magic carpet. Hello, boy. I want to ride with you. Please. Oh, well. Oh, well, this guy's going. Bye-bye. Why is everything shining? Why is everything shining? It's shining. It's shining. It's shining. It's shining. It's shining. Alright. Let me press the button. Oh, so did somebody did it? Oh, tsunami coming! It's coming fast. Alright. Alright. Come on, let's go! Yay, we did it! I'm just gonna stay here. Come on. Yay, I survived! That's a funny sound. That's a pretty funny sound. Oh my god, my head! My head is getting bigger. Right. Oh, Piggy! Oh my god, it's him. I'll let him chase me. Oh, for some odd reason I didn't. Alright, I didn't hear the sound. Alright. Am I stuck here? Let me try. Oh, it's a dance party. Oh no, I had to survive the rockets. Oh, some of the pants are about to pop. Pop. What a funny name. It's an earthquake. This is how I do an earthquake. Oh, I pressed the button. It's big. No, it's an earthquake. It's an earthquake. Okay, now it stopped. Oh my gosh, it's a duckling. Yeah. Right. There's the background. Yep, we fixed the light. Okay, I don't know how we get here. Alright, it's just like, alright. I think let me just pick my color. Alright, yellow. I thought I was gonna say orange, but I said yellow. I'm gonna pick red. Let me go back to yellow. Because the next color is red. Yep, it's red. Yeah, I survived. Let it tickle the two. Hey, look, it's Superman. There he goes. I want to follow him. There he goes. There's a statue of me. Bye, Superman. Bye. There he goes. Oh, I like the zombie. Alright, let's go. No, I don't want to take a ride with you. No, I just died, and my pieces are falling. My pieces are flying away. Alright, let's go. Woo! Jump, double jump. Come on, let's go. Whoa, this is actually really cool, everybody. Come on. Alright, jump. Alright, I'm doing it right. Jump. Yes, I made it. I got a badge. Aw, I have a little tiny crown. It's so adorable. I'm right here. Yay, this is so much fun. I'm gonna get this game. Alright, time to race. 3, 2, 1. Go! Woo! Yay! Yay! Let's go! Let's go, everybody! We're gonna win! We're gonna win! Yay! My name is in there. Yay! Yay! We won! Alright. Oh, no, wait! Oh, that's better. Alright, we had to survive the cars. They almost look like Teslas. Oh yeah, they are. Silly me. Alright, we had to survive them. No, I just did it too early. I shouldn't go there. This is too hard. Oh my god, look! They're going to the edge. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Yay. Oh my god, we got jumped out of the airplane. Yay. Oh, it's gonna explode. Oh, I died. First, just a second ago, I just died. Oh, a unicorn. Look at it go. There it goes. That's pretty adorable. Not you again. Boldy. Boldy Basics Education and Learning. Oh, that's me. Again. Oh, I had to survive the tightrope. Alright. Be careful. Oh my god. I just almost fell. Alright. Come on. Yes! Yay! I made it! Tightrope. Yay. Oops. Sorry, I farted. Oops, sorry, I think I farted. Let's do a dance. No, just kidding. Alright, let's just go to the stairs. Yeah, the rainbow stairs. Oh my god, I've been pushed off. No. Okay, I landed the target. Okay, now I'm sitting down. It looks like I'm sleeping. No, I fell. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my Don't Press the Button video and Don't Press the Button 2 video. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this video. So, bye!